today we'll talk about how can you find your saved fit on your Bluesky app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. Sorry, you click in this sign, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on settings down here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just you go down here, then you click here on my saved fits, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this, and here you will find all saved fits you have. Like you see here, I have nothing, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like